So we're here in a nondescript building in somewhere in Bukit Jelutong, and a special car is being revealed today, actually previewed. It is the Lotus Emira, the last production combustion engine Lotus before they go all EV, which is kind of sad, but at least we get to see the Emira here first. And in fact, the car inside here, it's the same car that Jason Button drove around Laguna Seca. It's the same car that went around Goodwood when it first premiered, revealed to the world. It's a pretty big deal. Let's go inside. So we're inside the building. There's no conditioning here, it's just fans. And this is actually quite like a secret show because it's so nondescript. It's like a garage over here. And so the preview is already over. It's been revealed, but we can't get near it because everyone's kind of crowded around the car, getting into it, getting their paws on the car. So we're gonna wait until we can actually get one-on-one with the car, just you and me, all right? So this is the Lotus Emira. In fact, this is the prototype version, like I said, and it looks just gorgeous. I'm gonna bleep that out because it just is. Sorry, go ahead. So this actually is the spec that I would want to get because it's so clean. The design is so clean and I want to keep it clean. It's dark gray, very subtle. Let's go on the sides over here. All right, so this car is the big brother, or at least a successor to the Evora. It's called the Emira, not Emira or Emira. No, Emira. So it looks just gorgeous. The proportions of it, the size of it is just great. Because it's a successor to the Evora, it comes with a 3.5 liter V6, you know, the same one from the Toyota Camry, but supercharged to 400 horsepower. And it goes through the rear wheels. It is sadly the last combustion powered Lotus ever. So I think they're making only 1,000 plus units of this. And they're gonna be instant classics because why wouldn't you want to own the last soulful, beautiful, non-silent Lotus? Again, I'm not gonna harp too much about the exterior because you can just look it up yourself. But to me, in person, this looks totally gorgeous. The way it just is so cleanly shaped. Everything is kind of like channeled to the floor. So you have a very clean exterior. I mean, the Evora was beautiful too, but it had to go through a few facelifts where it had a wing and a bit more garishness, but this is like the original Evora, clean and just graceful and beautiful. So yeah, at the back you have the 3.5 liter V6. There will also be a 2 liter AMG from the A45 powering the rear. Of course, both are transversely mounted. At least in Malaysia, you can't really buy the 2 liter engine right now or until maybe next year. So you have the best engine, in my opinion, the 3.5 liter V6 at the back, 400 horsepower and rear-wheel drive and a 6-speed manual transmission. You can't get the auto, but why would you? Here we are finally in the Lotus Emira interior, and it's really gorgeous. You know, last time the Evora had bits of Proton parts, same with the Elise, same with the Exige, no more. After Geely bought over Lotus from Proton, things just improved with build quality. They have so much more money to spend on actually fitting things like this perforated soft touch plastics. There is a KEF or KEF speaker system in here, very impressive. Everything looks really clean and elegant. What I would change though, if it was my car, I would not get a black interior. I would get like red seats, you know, dark blue, cream colored, saddle brown, whatever. That's not black, but it feels great in here. Like, I'm sure this setting isn't for me at all, but already I can tell that this car is a nice car to drive just by how it cocoons me. This is so classic Lotus to have this like brushed metal ball as your gear selector. Just beautiful. And over here for the occasion, lift this up, start stop right here, this button to fire up that engine, that last V6, that last combustion Lotus engine. So the price, 1.131 million ringgit in Peninsula Malaysia, or half that, around 449,000 ringgit if you buy it in Langkawi, sans all taxes and whatever else. So yeah, if I had the money, I would buy this car because it's the last combustion Lotus. I've said that like 5 times already, but it's an important point because is Lotus losing a little bit of its soul, and is everyone on board with Lotus going electric only? This is also built in Hethel, not going to be built in the Chinese factory that they just opened to build the Lotus Electra. The SUV is also electric. So from Hethel, V6 at the back, mid-engine, manual transmission, beautiful exterior, bonded aluminum chassis, the proper Lotus, the last proper Lotus.